Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to scroll down and actually we do not have to. Simply tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. So let's tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently set or currently applied to the device, you will be able to simply pick it from the list and then your device will back up the data to this particular account. If you do not have the account added, let's tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the backup account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got another backup section, so here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files or data. Here you've got the backup details, so what has already been backed up. You can check it always. And here we've got the advanced settings, and to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will not, for example, access the limit of the data, and for sure you will not have to pay, which simply means that your device will back up the data only if it will be connected with the Wi-Fi. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.